In this short video tutorial, we will understand about the paragraph tag that we write inside the body section to add uh, paragraph content to the web page. In the previous tutorial, we understood about the heading tags. Now let's talk about the paragraph tag. Now to add a paragraph to your page, you have to use the P tag, which stands for the paragraph tag. So over here we have created the opening paragraph tag, and this is the closing paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag, you can write any number of lines that you want. So I'll just be writing one line. This is the first paragraph in our page. Now, to add another paragraph, we will use the second P tag, and we will write this is the second paragraph in our page. So we have two paragraphs in the page that we have added. Now I will save this code and I will open the browser and refresh our page. So this is the output from our previous tutorial. So if I will refresh this page, you will notice that two paragraphs have been added to our page. This is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. Notice that the browser has automatically given some space between the first and the second paragraph. So whenever you want to add a paragraph to your page, you will have to make use of the P tag, and you can add any amount of content you want inside the paragraph tag. And when you want to create multiple paragraphs, you will have to end the first paragraph and then start with the new paragraph with the help of the P tag. So with this, I hope you have understood how to add paragraphs to your web page. With this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.